Hey, this morning I wanted to talk about the Home Business Academy and the people in it. I got a call yesterday from Marion LaSalle, who had been at Phoenix and also was on our Monday night call. And we had such a nice conversation, and she shared some things about what she was doing, and I shared what I was doing, and we connected and were able to help each other. And also, I'm in the 30-day challenge that Amy Starr Allen is doing, and it's just, those are two examples of people that just reach out and help you. I could go on and tell you about all the people I've met over the last year or two that I've really grown close to and become friends with. And so it's a business where they're full of integrity, they're full of servitude, they're honest, they're great to be around, they're just fun people, and help you grow a fantastic business. So if you want to know more, let me know. Thank you.